What if I told you that there's a lucrative way that you can make passive income online by using AI tool ChatGPT to help you write ebooks that you can then sell on Amazon.com? If you guys are living under a rock and haven't heard of ChatGPT, ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence tool that can help you write blog posts, help you write product descriptions, it can help you write emails, and it does a lot of legwork for you so that you don't have to work with a freelancer, you don't have to pay someone to write these descriptions for you, you don't have to write it yourself. It actually gives you back your time on a writing material. So what I want to show you is this step-by-step strategy that you can implement to start passive income online business selling ebooks. If you're new to the channel, my name is Curtis Miller. My channel, we focus on fitness, finance, self-improvement, passive income, anything and everything that can help you improve your overall lifestyle. You know, as a bestseller author on Amazon myself, I'm a seller of 3 books. I can definitely share with you that if I had these AI tools before I actually launched my books, it could have helped me streamline the process a little faster. So here's the strategy that I want you to employ. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to Google search on Amazon or even Google top niches that people are looking to purchase and looking to read on Amazon.com. There's a variety of different niches, and you'll be surprised what people actually would be willing to pay for. So it's important that you niche down and find a specific niche that you can write your topic in your book, your ebook about. I want you to do this extensive research because it's not about what books you want to write. It's about what people are willing to pay their money for and what sells. So once you kind of do your research and you identify what people are willing to spend their money on in terms of reading, then what I want you to do is I want you to select that niche. Once you select that niche, I want you to come up with a book title, and I want you to come up with just a brief outline. Then the next step in the process is I want you to go to OpenAI, ChatGPT, and I want you to create a login. And then what I want you to do is I want you to type in that title and that outline. Watch ChatGPT work as it's going to start writing. And as it's writing the material for you, what I suggest you do is proofread and just make sure that you read through it. Again, using this AI tool is going to help you with a lot of the legwork and a lot of time. As a book writer, I will tell you that I wrote my own title, my own outline, I wrote my own book, but then I got to edit it and proofread before I actually uploaded it to Amazon, which I'll explain that process in just a little bit. That actually saves you a lot of time and a lot of energy, you know, especially if you're picking a niche that you want to sell multiple books and you want to establish, more books that can generate you more income in terms of sales. So once you got your niche, your title, your outline, and you have ChatGPT start writing it for you, I want you to then go to Fiverr.com, which is a site where you can connect with different freelancers in many different fields that are all around the world. You can actually pay these people a low amount of money to do quality work for you. And I'm going to share that with you in just a second. So once you go to Fiverr.com, I want you to hook up with an editor and proofreader. Now, there are various different editors and proofreaders. I definitely want you to edit and proofread, not even if you didn't use this AI tool and you wrote it yourself, you still want to fucking proofread your work and you want to edit it to make sure that, it's written properly, especially in standard English or whatever fucking language you work with. But the point is that what you want to do is you want to just make sure that you check all your grammar and everything like that. And I'm talking about, there's freelancers that will do that shit for $40, $30, which is not a lot of money. So once you get an edit and proofread, I also want you to go to Fiverr.com and hook up with a book cover creator. Again, these people you don't have to pay them a lot of money. Again, there's people all around the world that do quality work for you. And I want you to do a nice book cover design. The quality of your book cover design is what's going to attract, your title and your book cover is what's going to attract people to as they're scrolling down, they're going to say, oh shit, like that's an interesting title, that's an interesting book cover. That's why the niche is so important. So once you get your book proofread and edited and you hook up with someone that's going to do a nice dope book cover design, you want to create an account on Kindle Direct Publishing and you want to upload your manuscript. Your manuscript is your completed, fully edited book, your work. You upload that and you're also going to upload your book cover. Now, since you're doing ebooks, you don't need an ISB number, but if you definitely want to print paperback version of your book, yes, you can definitely actually get an ISB number, and the person that's designing your book cover will leave a space. The ISB number is what they identify, that's the number that they're assigned to your book, okay? So once you upload that, I want you to research some keywords. I want you to use ChatGPT to write you a dope-ass book description, utilizing SEO, search engine optimization for those particular keywords. And then once you upload it on Kindle Direct Publishing, normally in 72 hours, your book is ready to. Then the next step in the process is your marketing, right? So now your book is uploaded on Amazon. You want to put it in your social media. You want to, if you have an email marketing group, that you can, definitely market your books to, put them on social media. But what a lot of people have found in terms of an easier process is utilizing this AI tool, then connecting with freelancers on Fiverr to do some of the graphic work, and then uploading everything on Amazon. And as you do generate book sales, you can actually look at, wow, okay, how your book is doing, and then look at other niches and repeat this process and then sell multiple books. So that's the name of the game, is what's the demand of the market, what people are interested in, and tailor your content to meet the needs of the market, because the market is deciding that this is what we want to pay our money on. And that's how you make money, is what the market decides that they're going to pay their money on. And as long as you focus on solving a problem and meeting the needs problem, or an area where people are interested in terms of entertainment or just general knowledge, you can utilize this process to help you make passive income and generate 6 figures online. So I hope this is helpful for you. I hope this information was essential and you guys do follow that process. So let's get fit, let's get wealth, let's improve our lifestyle. Please like the video. Leave me a comment down below if you have a process of how you generate passive income selling books, and also make sure that you subscribe to the channel for more information.